Forgot your WhatsApp secret code and locked out of chats? In this video, we'll fix it in under 60 seconds. Important, you can't see the old code again, but you can reset it with your fingerprint, Face ID, or phone unlock. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and unlock it using your fingerprint, Face ID, or your regular phone PIN. Once WhatsApp is open, tap the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, choose Settings. On iPhone, tap Settings at the bottom right instead. You're now in WhatsApp settings. Next, we'll go into Privacy to reset your secret code. In Settings, tap Privacy, then scroll down to find Chat Lock or Locked Chats, depending on your version. Open Chat Lock. Here, you'll see an option like Change Secret Code or Reset Secret Code. Tap that option. WhatsApp will ask you to confirm with your fingerprint, face, or phone unlock. After confirming, you'll be asked to enter a new secret code. Pick something you can remember but others won't guess easily. Type your new secret code, then confirm it when WhatsApp asks you to re-enter. Done! Your WhatsApp secret code is reset, and your locked chats stay protected with your new code and biometrics.